If you meet this kind of question in a test, which you are not allowed to use calculator to solve, how would you divide it? Let me show you. We are dividing 28.42 by 1.2. Observe your denominator. You have only one number after the decimal point. So because of that, multiply by 10, just a single zero. Whatever you do to denominator, do to numerator. So multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 means moving the decimal point one place. So we're having 28.4.2. Then move the decimal to the back as well. We have 12. So let's divide this number by 12. Let's start with the smallest number possible that can divide. 2 can divide to give us 6. Now 2 divide 28, we have 7. No, we have 14. 2 divide 4, we have 2. 0.2 divide there, we have 1. Now let's divide this guy now by 6. 6 can easily divide. Now 6 divide 14, we have 2. Remember 2. Put that 2 in front of these 2. Okay, you have 22. Now 6 divide 22 will give us 3. Remember 4. Remember 4. You put it in front of 1. How many times can 6 go in 41? That should be about 6 times remaining 5. So put your decimal because we have a decimal point here. We have 6 remaining 5. All right. Now, can 6 divide 5? No, 6 cannot divide 5. Add up a 0. How many times can 6 go into 50? That is 8 times. All right. Remaining, it also has a remainder, but since we have gotten the 2 decimal places, we can stop dividing. All right. So we now take as our answer as 23.68. I want to believe you understood this. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to like, share, and follow for more interesting tutorial. Bye.